Hey y'all, it's your friend Dee, and in today's video, we're going to be taking a look at MiniVerse Make It Mini Appliances Series 2. These usually sell for $12.99, but I was able to order some from Amazon for $7.79. The packaging says there's 8 appliances to collect, but I think there's only 4 appliances and each one comes in 2 different colors. This packaging shows a yellow mixer, but it also comes in a blue color. Let's get this one open. We get instructions on how to use the appliance and a collector's guide. The collector's guide shows all 4 appliances that we can collect and the 2 colors that each appliance comes in. There's a cotton candy maker that comes in pink and yellow, a snow cone machine that comes in blue and pink, a stand mixer that comes in yellow and blue, and this blue seems to be more of a turquoise or teal blue compared to the blue of the snow cone machine. And there's a soft serve ice cream machine that comes in the teal blue and a peach color. Our first package has a picture of a cupcake and the sun is peeping from behind the cupcake, and it says bake at home. And I think this is I call these coasters, but I think they're supposed to be kind of placemats that you can reuse. And this time they've glued it to the packaging. Usually these are separate pieces in the capsule. So let's get this off and see what we have underneath. Oh, it's not coming off very clean. We have a box of cake mix, and I really like the packaging on this. Oh, and it shows instructions on the back. So it has a chocolate or choco cake recipe. The package can open, and there is a bag of cake mix inside. We get a small container of white chocolate chips, and these little containers are one of my favorite things to get from Make It Minis. The top does screw off, and there is a small opening where you can shake out your chocolate chips. There's a container of chocolate syrup, and I think this might be our resin. And this is also in a very nice container. Here's the second package in that capsule. I really like the cupcake paper on top, so I'm going to try to open this one a little bit better. Let's see, and I'm already messing up. Let's see here. I don't think it's working. And there we go. We get a mini cupcake pan, and it comes in a plastic container. So let's take it out. Our cupcake pan is white with yellow speckles, and you can make 6 cupcakes in this. And it feels like one of those silicone cake pans, so you can just pop out your cupcakes when they're done. It's really nice. We get a white tray that you can display your cupcakes on once they're done. You get a measuring cup with a handle, and you can see the little measurements on the side. This one looks like it's a measuring scale for liquids. The other side is a measuring scale for dry goods. The scale of this is kind of large for the Barbie doll, so I think it's more of a measuring bowl than a measuring cup. We get a silicone spatula, and I love the detail that they put into the handle. You can see it looks like wood, and there is some texture to it. And we get the mixer. Here's the mixer out of the packaging. We got the yellow one, and this reminds me of the KitchenAid mixers. We have a lot of gray and silver details. At the bottom it says mixer. We have a gray button here on the side, as well as a gray handle, and some silver detail here that goes all the way around to the other side. The bowl matches the mini cupcake pan, and it cannot be removed. While I was editing a video, I kept thinking it's weird that the bowl won't separate from the mixer, so I came back to try it again, and I realized what I was doing wrong. I was trying to pull the bowl up, and you have to twist, and it comes apart. Now that I figured that out, let's get back into the video. We do have a beater attachment onto the machine, and just like a real machine, you can't just lift this up. You have to press the side button, and it will release it, and we can open it up. and get a better look at our beater attachment. And it looks like we have the flat beater. And if we want the beater to work, we just have to rotate this lever. I was worried the mixer would be too big for the dolls, but I think it actually works along with all the other items. I never use the resin that comes with these kits because I want to be able to reuse all of the items, but I do want something in my cupcake pans. I have these muffins that I got last year. Half of them came from the Teeny Tiny's bakery shop that I got at Five and Below, and the other half came from the micro mini surprise packets that I got from the Dollar Tree. And they do fit in our muffin pan. Along with the mixer, I got the soft serve ice cream machine, and I was really hoping for the blue one, but it looks like I'm going to get the peach one. We get 2 of these, and I think this is our ice cream. So these are 2 containers of vanilla soft serve, and I was a little confused at first. I thought this was resin, but I looked at the instruction guide, and this is air dry clay. We get a package with a picture of 2 soft serve vanilla ice cream cones. And like the other ones, I'm going to try to open these a little bit neater. We get our Sunny Bites waffle cones, and the packaging is really nice. We have some information on the side, and the package is finished all the way around. And I can tell there's something in there. It's moving a little bit, and it says there's 2 waffle cones. The box does open, and there are 2 cones inside, and they look to be a pretty nice size. Here's a closer look at the cone, and the detail on this is really nice. There is a little bit of a shine to it, and inside there's a stopper at the bottom, I guess to keep the air dry clay from going too far down. And you can always say that's like a caramel or a chocolate coating at the bottom of the cone. We get a jar of sprinkles, and the top can be removed from the sprinkles. And we get a clear stand for our waffle cones, and we get a gray plunger. It has the mini brand symbol on top, and this is to help push the soft serve ice cream out of the machine. And here's our machine, and we did get the peach colored one. The soft serve machine comes in 2 pieces. You have the main part and the base. There are some slots here at the bottom of the main part, and I think these prongs on the base just slide in there. Or maybe not. I was able to get the base on. It was easier for me to do it off camera because I did have to put quite a bit of pressure on the base to get it to snap into place. It says soft serve here at the top in silver letters. There is a small lever on the front as well as an opening to place your ice cream cone. On both sides of the machine we have faux vents and the faux gray panel. And I'm surprised they didn't put more detail on the back. It's just one large gray panel with screws. There is a gray button on top to help push out your ice cream. So I'm thinking the top comes off. Let's see here. Yes. And you put your cartridge inside. To insert the ice cream, you would take off the cap, place the cartridge inside of the machine from the top, replace the top of the machine, remove the stopper from the cartridge, which I'm not going to do because I'm not going to use the air dry clay. But if you want to use the clay, once you remove the stopper, you just press on the button at the top and your ice cream will dispense. And if your clay ever gets stuck or caked around the opening, just remove the stopper and use the plunger to help clear it out. And I think this machine is the perfect size for the dolls. We just might have to make an ice cream shop. For my soft serve cones, I'm using some I already have, and I think I got these from Temu. So my friends, that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions about anything in this video, please leave it in the comments below. I will try my best to answer your questions. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. I'll see you next time, my friends. Bye-bye.